You sit down to start working, you plug in your charger, and you realize your battery is officially dead. It won't hold a charge, or maybe it's not even detected. The big question is, will your laptop still work? In this video, I'm going to give you the answer and show you 3 critical things you need to check to keep your computer safe. So make sure you stick around for the whole video. Welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Make sure you like and subscribe or I'll have to steal your RAM. Okay, so the short answer is yes. Most laptops are designed to run directly off the power adapter. When the battery dies, the electricity simply bypasses the battery to power your hardware. Think of it like a portable desktop. As long as it's plugged into the wall, you're good to go. But don't click away just yet, because there are some hidden risks you need to know about. If you're going to run your laptop on a dead battery, follow these 3 rules. Since the battery can't buffer the power, your laptop is 100% dependent on that charger. Cheap third-party chargers can cause crashes or even damage your motherboard. Some high-end laptops like MacBooks or gaming rigs might actually run slower without a working battery. The system throttles the CPU to stay safe. This is the big one. If your keyboard is bulging or your trackpad feels stiff, stop immediately. That's a swollen battery and it's a fire hazard. Before I continue, I want to remind you to go check out our website. We provide easy-to-read blog posts and guides to help you get the most from all your tech devices. Links are in the description, so go check them out after the video. Okay, it may be tempting to just leave the dead battery in your laptop forever, but leaving a dead battery connected to a charger can lead to off-gassing. Heat from the power cord can cause the battery to swell up like a balloon, which can crush your internal components or even catch fire. My advice? If it's dead, get it replaced as soon as possible to save your laptop from permanent damage. Now you might be wondering, did I cause this by leaving my laptop plugged in all the time? It's a common myth that keeping your charger plugged in overcharges the battery. Modern laptops are smart enough to stop charging once they hit 100%. However, the real enemy is heat. If your laptop is always plugged in and running hot, it stresses the battery over time. To prevent your next battery from dying early, check your settings for a battery health or conservation mode. This limits the charge to less than 100%, which is the sweet spot for making lithium-ion batteries last for years instead of months. It's a small tweak that can save you a couple $100 down the road. So yes, you can keep working with a dead laptop battery, but don't ignore the problem. Get the battery replaced as soon as possible so you don't cause damage to your laptop, or worse yet, hurt yourself or someone else. Let me know in the comments if you've ever experienced a swollen battery. And if you like this video, make sure you check out this other one to get more tips for making your tech life easier. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.